Dear friends, thank you for your views and comments on the VSS Special Sniper Rifle video. Following its popularity, we host our next video on Russian special small arms. And today we will have a look at the legendary AS Special Assault Rifle. In our next videos, we will have our hands on its modernized version, the ASM, and modernized VSSM sniper rifle, so stay tuned. The AS, commonly referred to as the VAL, was designed for elite and special forces. As you can see, it's a compact assault rifle ideal for special operations. Actually, it's a complex designed as a well-balanced combination of a rifle and special cartridges. The AS is chambered for lethal 9x39mm rounds of increased penetration action to defeat body armor and hard surface targets. Armor-piercing rounds with subsonic bullets hit targets at the distance of up to 400 meters. Special sniper cartridges with increased accuracy can be used as well. The AS features integral sound suppressor, providing very low noise level, yet with penetrating power and effective range unusual for such weapons. It is noiseless even when delivering point bursts in automatic fire mode. With natural background noise, it's almost impossible to figure out your shooting position. The AS is unified with the VSS sniper rifle. The main difference is that the AS has a solid folding metal buttstock. It may be really helpful in hand-to-hand combat. With folded butt, it delivers the same quality of fire. It is fed from a 20-round magazine, which is completely interchangeable with the 10-round one, although the 10-round magazine is more commonly used with the VSS. The safety switch is on the right-hand side. It's a long AK-style plate. You choose between semi-automatic and full auto with this fire selector lever. All controls are easily accessible. On the left side of the receiver there is an integrated sight mount for day and night scopes of various types. The AS has simple design and is easy to disassemble. It is silent, has a very soft recoil and is super comfortable to shoot. At the same time, it's compact, light and easy to carry. No surprise it became popular among Russian special forces. Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for the second part, where we will get a rare chance to hold modernized versions of legendary weapons, the ASM and the VSSM.